Hi everyone, this is Arfin, and today we are going to calculate systematic risk, specific risk, and total risk of a stock. So let's start. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, please do subscribe it and hit the like button. I really do appreciate it. Let's import libraries. SCI. Okay, so let's download the data. Data is equal to yf dot download. So let's download Apple. And I'm going to download benchmark, which is S&P. Start date will be 2020-1-1. End date will be equal to 2020-12-31. I don't want progress, so I'm just going to hide it. And as always, we need adjusted closing price. Cool. So we got the Apple and S&P prices. All right. Let's calculate return is equal to data dot percentage change dot drop NA. Okay, so we got the returns as well. Now I'm going to say result is equal to SCI dot stats dot linear regression, and we need return data of benchmark GSPC, comma, we need return data Apple. Let's run this. All right, so we got slope, intercept, R value, P value, standard error, intercept, standard error. So in this calculation, all we need is regression square error, beta, and alpha. So what we are going to do, we are going to say beta is equal to, now here's a trick, how we can grab information from this linear regression result. So the way we are going to do it, result dot slope. So we can see here 1.12 is the beta. Similarly, slope or beta is same. And alpha will be equal to result dot intercept alpha. We got the intercept as well. All right, perfect. Now, in order to calculate regression square, all we need here is regression equation square will be equal to return data of a stock minus return data of benchmark into beta minus alpha. So what I'm going to do here, so let me put this one under bracket. All right, so here we got the series of regression square equation or regression equation square, whatever you say. Now, in order to calculate specific risk will be equal to regression equation square dot standard deviation. So it will be standard deviation of regression square. Sorry, it's my bad. It's regression equation error. So it's regression equation error instead of a square. So I'm going to run this one again. Regression square error. And then regression square error dot standard deviation. Specific risk will be equal to 0.016. We need to calculate annualized specific risk. So for that, what we are going to do, we do have a specific risk into np dot sqrt of 12. So it's gonna be annualized specific risk. So we got annualized specific risk, which is 5.7%. All right, now we are going to calculate benchmark standard deviation, which is gonna be return data, and we need here annualized volatility. So what we will do, into np dot sqrt of 12. So we will have annualized volatility. Let's run this. All right, okay. And systematic risk will be equal to benchmark standard deviation into beta. And systematic risk is 8.47%. Now, in order to calculate total risk, all we need to do here is we need to calculate annualized specific risk square plus systematic risk square, and it will be under square root. So NP dot SQRT. So it's square root of annualized specific risk square plus systematic risk square. Let's check the total risk. So the total risk of Apple is 10%. So that's it for today. Hope you like the video and hope you will be able to calculate total risk of any stock or fund against benchmark. Thank you so much.